Man, oh yeah. FCT boy got me doing this one. African man upon this place, or that way you say so. Check it. Wherever you may see you an African man, respect the stranger, give African man. The only thing you need as an African man, emancipation. Wherever you may see you an African man, respect the stranger, give African man. The only thing you need as an African man, emancipation. Cause from the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun, from coast to coast we survive recession. From the raising of the gun to the shooting us for fun, we come back around the multiplication. Wherever you may see you an African man, respect the stranger, give African man. The only thing you need as an African man, emancipation. The only thing you need, respect the strength. The only thing you need as an African man, emancipation. Cause from the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun, from coast to coast we survive recession. From the raising of the gun to the shooting us for fun, we come back around in multiplication. Peace. Come on,